Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly unique for you, the one and only Lamborghini Countach painted in this stunning orange shade. You won't find another like it. Let's go for a ride and see what makes this car so special. The Lamborghini Countach is an icon in the world of supercars. First introduced in the 1970s, it revolutionized car design with its aggressive styling and groundbreaking performance. Over its production run, various versions were released, but none as rare as our orange beauty. What sets this Countach apart is its one-of-a-kind orange paint job. Lamborghini is known for its bold color choices, but orange? That's a rarity. This custom color not only makes it stand out but also adds a layer of exclusivity. It's a real head-turner, wouldn't you agree? Under the hood, this Countach packs a powerful punch. Equipped with a V12 engine, it produces an exhilarating 455 horsepower. With a top speed of over 180 miles per hour, it's not just about looks. This car is built for speed and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure luxury. The leather seats, the classic dashboard, and the vintage controls all scream Lamborghini. Despite its age, the interior has been meticulously maintained, making it feel like a time capsule from the 80s. The driving experience is just phenomenal. The roar of the V12 engine, the responsive handling, and the sheer thrill of being behind the wheel of this iconic car, it's something every car enthusiast should experience at least once. Well, there you have it, the only Lamborghini Countach painted in orange. A true masterpiece of automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Until next time, keep those engines revving.